Welcome. If you're looking to block a Facebook page directly from a post while using your PC, you're in the right place. This quick guide will walk you through the updated steps so you can take control of your Facebook feed and keep unwanted content at bay. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to facebook.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on your Facebook homepage, start scrolling through your feed, or use the search bar to find the specific post from the page you want to block. When you spot the post, look for the three dots icon. This is usually located at the top right corner of the post. Click on these three dots to open a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, you'll see an option labeled Block, followed by the name of the page. For example, it might say Block Page Name. Click on this option. A confirmation window will appear, explaining what happens when you block a page. Facebook will stop showing you posts from this page, and the page won't be able to interact with your content anymore. If you're sure about your decision, confirm by clicking Block. That's it. You've successfully blocked the page, and its posts will no longer appear in your feed. This simple process helps you filter out content you don't want to see, making your Facebook experience more enjoyable and tailored to your preferences. Keep in mind, blocking a page removes its ability to interact with you, but it doesn't erase past comments or likes you may have exchanged. If you ever change your mind, you can manage your blocked pages in your Facebook settings and unblock them anytime. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials.